Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very, very hard machine to find. This is a 2014 Takeuchi TL12 that is fully loaded out. When I say fully loaded out, it is a high flow machine. It has cab heat air, 2-speed, AM FM radio. It's going to have ride control, power quick attach, joystick. It has an overhead demo door in it. This was not a mulcher machine. Was a one-owner machine. What I'd found out about it was a dealer trade on a new machine. We have just went completely through this machine. We have done a full service. We call it Groff Tractor, which is our local dealer. We bought all filters from Groff. Pilot, cab air filters, engine oil, hydraulic, everything. We did the hub oils. We did find when we did their service work, we put the cab up, the cab shocks were starting to lose pressure. So we put brand new cab shocks on from Takeuchi, brand new cab shocks on the overhead door. They were just a hair spongy. I didn't like that. So we ordered them. I had $400 in just cab shocks. But again, it's a 35th anniversary machine. This is a 110 horsepower Kubota that does not have DEF fluid. It's going to have a particulate filter, but there is no DEF fluid. Big, big deal there. So all original paint, other than we did paint the track frames. They were just scratched up and skin up, typical, and we do that on a lot of our stuff. Everything else is original paint. We'll go over everything it has inside here in a second. The only thing I know that is not original on the machine is that bucket. When I purchased this, it did not have a bucket with it. So we did have a good OEM Takeuchi bucket here that we put on it, 81 inch. It is in good condition. We'll show you all about that in a second. Keep in mind, hard machine to find in this order. They're generally all beat up, smashed up. This machine is very, very straight. Come on back here, we're going to show you. Again, rear engine compartment. These fins are usually always smashed in onto Takeuchi's. Back corners are always usually goofed up. These have some scratches, but in nice shape. This mirror had a little ding in it. We went ahead and bought a brand new mirror. It actually had a crack in the glass, put a brand new mirror in it from Takeuchi. Again, bought all my parts from them. We'll start you right in here. Back door opens very nice, latch, everything is there. Here is the original oil drain hose that threads up on to drain your engine oil out. We put it right back there where it goes. Engine radiator cooling package. Again, in there is the Kubota V3800T 4-cylinder diesel engine, turbocharged, 110 horse. Starts, runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that. Again, we've done a full service. Everything is ready to go. Really easy machine to work on. And again, this machine is all original and very clean. Lights work. There is one ding up there at the top of the cab. When everybody see that, not hiding it. You'd never know it if I didn't tell you, but there is a ding up there. It doesn't affect anything. Just want everybody to know. Again, TL12 high flow. Again, this is all original paint other than the track frames. Tracks. Tracks are about 45 to 50% on tread depth. In here, there is some rubber that has been, and I parked it in this position to show you that. There's still a lot of running left in these tracks. They're not broke this way on either side. I left them there, and I'm going to tell you why. They're the original Takeuchi. Right there they are. Part number 19140-99320-320F. They're the original tracks of the machine. I want everybody to see that. You see how nice and straight the fenders are? And what I call the fender is right here. They're not beat or busted up. Typical stone chips on the front from being a used construction machine or in that application. Couple little wee spots of concrete spatter. Other than that, very straight. You can see how nice and straight the grab handles are on both sides. See how nice and straight the grab handles are on the cab. I'll have the door down here in a second for a matter of fact. I'm just going to hop up here and do that so you can see. Again, it does have the Lexan door in it. The Lexan door does have a scratch mark in it here. I want everybody to see that. Not hiding it, telling you the truth. You are going to have your standard auxiliary auxiliary flow here, which is 23 gallons a minute. Pressure relief, 14-pin attachment control device. Here's going to be your high flow circuit. So this is going to have high flow 3/4 inch here, And it is a high flow 5-hose setup. So this machine actually will have 5 here, K-strain, and then another set here. So you do have 7 ports total. 23 on standard flow and 40 GPM on high flow. Bucket again is in good condition. There is a little bit of wear on the bolt on edge. It can be flipped. We didn't do it. Again, it is not the original bucket to this machine. 81 inch, has the side cutters, smooth edge bucket. Power quick attach. You can see this track matches the other track. They are both original to the machine. Cage is very nice and straight. All the side, beautiful straight machine there. Inside here, we'll take you in now. Again, Takeuchi and Kubota all have that nice overhead door. Very, very nice for in and out. Now, another thing on these Takeuchis you'll always see, I have no idea why, these are always bent. You'll see twisted, bent, turned. I have no idea why, but you will see that with machines. This one is not. It is very, very, very straight. And I look at that when I'm purchasing a machine. Take you inside here. Grab the camera. So, machine again, cab heat air, original Takeuchi high back seat. And you can see in here, very nice and clean. Cab heat air, all ducted system. Washer fluid down here. Your hydraulic quick attach. Wiper washer, all work. Door release. This is for your auxiliary hydraulic detent. And then auxiliary 2-way or 1-way flow. High flow auxiliaries. We'll show you in here. And we'll start in 870 hours. And then you can get through your data here. RPM, battery volt, water temp, oil temp, and then we go back to trip meter, which is your hours. So you're going to have power mode, eco mode, standard mode, auxiliary for your 14-pin. This is going to be for your ride control, trip data, emergency shutdown. Right there it is, and I show you that that works. Throttle, headlights. Up here you have your AM/FM radio. You even have your cab light over here. Ducted heat and AC system, which everything's down here for that. That all works excellent. High back adjustable seat. Again, all glass in the cab. Just a really, really nice clean machine, especially in the market we're in right now where you can't find good equipment. Here is something that is a non-urea machine. Yes, it's going to have a DPF, but other than that, which we've had no problems with the Kubotas with the DPF, the urea thing, not my ticket, so is what it is. But here's a 110 horsepower machine. He's weighed just shy of 12,000 pounds. They'll pick, what, 4,052 or 51 pound of weight. They're a hoss of a machine. So I'm going to fire this machine up. We're going to run it around. We'll take it over here. I'll push in the topsoil pile with it for you so you can see that. And kind of show you what all it does so you know what the machine is. So we take the time to do these videos, not because I want to. I feel that we owe this to the customer so you can see what a machine is. So we'll go ahead, fire this up. We're going to run around and she does what it's supposed to do. Here we go. this has ride control. So there I have turned the ride control button on. Push it again and deactivate it. And what you'll see the boom kind of float. Whenever you're carrying a heavy load, like right here, you just see it chalk up and down. That is for your ride control mode. So again, that's just some control features that are on this machine. As soon as you lift your safety bar, it is going to go ahead and lock your auxiliary or your joysticks out, and your park brake comes on. The AC and heater is on a relay, so it shuts off as soon as it takes about 3 or 4 seconds, and then it shuts off. Really a nice machine. I am not familiar as much with the Takeuchi as far as running them. It takes me a little bit of time. The Takeuchi, in my opinion, there's guys out there that, you know, they absolutely love them. I do a lot of Bobcat stuff. I can hardly ever buy them because I can't find them, because guys generally run them. You'll see these machines are with 3,000 to 5,000 hours on them. This is 870 original hours. The machine is very tight. You see how it climbed right up on there, no problem. And again, some of that operator error, that's me till I get used to a machine. But very powerful, 110 horse. But the biggest thing with this, keep in mind, there is no urea. Yes, it has a DPF, big deal. The Kubota with the DPF, we've never had problems with. I have them in my wheel loaders, which there's one swinging right now. We don't do anything to them. They just run and run and run. Biggest thing, let them get through their cycle. You'll never have an issue. High flow, cab heat air, ride control, 2-speed, power attach, overhead demo door, AM FM radio, suspension seat. This is a nice loaded up machine. It is clean in today's market. You know, it's not an aerosol overhaul. Again, we did just paint them track frames. That is it. Everything else is original. Come check it out. You got any questions, 814-658-3066. If you're looking for a workhorse, here it is. Again, Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. As always, have a great day.